Went to Publix. This is what I bought. Eggs, Snapple, BOGO. Goldfish graham crackers, BOGO. Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Lucky Charms cereal bars, BOGO. Publix fruit cups, BOGO. Strawberries and raspberries. These were 3 for $10, but I only needed 2 of them. Blueberries, the sweetest batch, so these are sweet. Martha White muffin mix, BOGO. Prego spaghetti sauce, BOGO. Angel hair, BOGO. Vita cocoa pineapple coconut water, buy 2 get 1 free. Gusher snacks and fruit roll-ups, BOGO. BOGO. Sugar. Classic white bread, BOGO. A variety pack of Kool-Aid. Juicy Juice, BOGO. Popsicles, BOGO. Hormel Black Label Bacon, BOGO. Johnsonville Sausage Links, BOGO. Sargento Cheese Sticks, buy 2 get 1 free. Febreze plugins and vanilla suede. Planet Oak coffee creamers and sweet and creamy and what is this? Caramel. Deli meat. Pure Life Waters, BOGO. I spent a total of $160.33.